MMM presentation. Ideology, how does it works, roles and regulation, benefits, rewards and bonuses. Created by Jerwell Mike B. Tahod. And visit him at his email jerwellmike@gmail.com. Let's talk about the ideology of MMM. The modern world is bad. The modern world is unfair and unjust. Money controls everything, and we are being slave on it. The only one benefit with this inhumane and unjust modern world is those people whom are rich, namely the capitalists and the bankers. About the founder. It is founded by Sergei Mabrodi on year 1989. Sergei Mabrodi is a Russian citizen and a former deputy state of Adoma. He is a great mathematician. What is MMM? How does it works? MMM stands for Mabrodi Mondial Money Box. This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of the global fund of mutual aid. The goal of this movement is not to gain money, but to destroy the world's unjust financial system. It is a social virus. MMM, it's something close to our hearts. Here, people help each other. Today you help, and tomorrow you will be helped bigger than the help you contributed. It's the main principle of MMM. MMM is a community of people providing help, each other financial help, on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin infrastructure in our transactions. It is the best possible way to organize smooth transfers between participants from different countries. Any person with legal aids can join the MMM community, where there is an equal treatment to everyone. Everyone contributes to the common good. The participants only have to follow the recommendations and avoid benefiting from others. MMM has no boss and no owner. It is not a business. It has no one account. Transaction is in peer-to-peer system, where the money of the person who provide help will directly transfer to the account of the person that is being helped. Let's talk about the benefits, rewards, and bonuses. In the referral bonus, you will get 10% from all deposits of the direct participant you invited. Guiders bonus. Guiders of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. Thus, you will avail infinity percentage of bonus coming from your downline. For example, if you are Ronald's guider, and Ronald is Maricel's guider, and Maricel is Joseph. So you will get 5% from Ronald's donation, 3% from Maricel's donation, and 1% from Joseph. If someone will be under Joseph, you will get from him 0.5% and so on. Guiders' bonuses are credited in the same way as referral, but only from new money deposited and will be available to withdraw after confirmation of your help provided. There is a school of guiders in MMM if you want to apply. MMM Global Mutual Aid Society, a new and unique social phenomenon in which people really do help each other. We are near to our freedom. Join the community, and together we can change the world.